Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to upload images and resize them without actually doing any code. It's actually implemented in AWS. It's a service in AWS itself. And it's very cost effective. That is the best way I know right now to handle this issue. So if you Google serverless image handler, you will find this AWS page. So let me Google it right now. Okay. Image handler. Okay, if you go here, go to the view implementation, it will explain the whole idea, how it's working, how it should be set up and everything. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to demonstrate the actual steps that you are going to take, but you are welcome to read all of this. And the cost explained here, it's very cheap actually, so you don't have to worry about anything. It's using Lambda and CloudFront, and mainly you are retrieving images from CloudFront, because CloudFront is a DNS, so it's very cheap. So once you upload the image, resize it, get it into the right format for you, it's basically saved in here, and it's very cheap and fast to retrieve it from CloudFront directly. So let's go to the implementation directly. So if you go here, AWS CloudFront template, you'll find this template here page. View the template. It's downloading the template itself. So the next step, you go to the CloudFront, CloudFormation I mean, and you upload the template here. But before that, we need to create an S3 bucket to enable the images there. So okay, that is a new account for the purpose of this video. So we are creating bucket here. Let's call it Badawi 1, for example, or whatever. Mainly you need to allow it to be public right now. We are not doing security right now, so no worries about that. So I am going to enable it and allow all public traffic here. And what yeah, object writer, I'm going to allow the object writer to make it public or blocked. So right now there is no security mainly on the files that you are uploading. To confirm that, you need to upload an image and view it. If you can't view the image in S3, it's not going to work in okay. I'm going to upload the image now. It's saying here it's okay. Need to give the permission. So in the permission area, there is a private and public. You need to make it public and grant it. Upload. It's uploading. Okay, the image is uploaded right now. Let's see it. If you get access denied here, you need to allow the access to be public or something like that. So here is the image itself in S3. So you need to be able to view it here. That is the main goal right now. So you need to give the permission for the bucket and for the object itself to see it. Okay, after that I'm going to go to the CloudFormation, upload the template that we have. I'm going to create a stack, use a template sample. Okay, template is ready, I think, and upload the template file. Okay, I will click upload right now. Here is the template file that I downloaded, and now it's going to okay. So this CloudFormation, actually it's setting up everything for you. You don't have to deal with anything. You don't have to deal with Lambda functions, CloudFront settings, whatever. It's going to handle everything. So the stack name is image resizer, for example. It's doing a lot more than resizing. It's actually everything you need to do on images, but for the sake of this video, let's call it resizer. And course, we are going to enable course for now. Demo UI, no, I don't need any demo UI. enable signature. Okay, most of these you aren't going to need actually. So secret, we aren't doing security, so we don't need any secret key or something like that. Okay, here is I think fallback image S3 buckets. The name, yeah, here is the name of the bucket that you need to set up. I think that's it. Yeah. Here is the source bucket. I mean, source bucket is the place that you need to put your bucket in. So my bucket is Badawa 1. So I'm going to remove all of that and set Badawa 1. That is my current bucket. Okay. Then we are going to enable webp. Webp is a format for images. It's very, cheap on the level of size, file size, so it's very effective for front-end developers, so you need to enable that. I think we are done here. Yeah, we are done here. Let's see, what is this? No, I don't know. Okay, let's go next. Now you are getting the tags, IAM roles. We are not doing security. I think we are done here. Yes, we are done here. Notification, you can set up notification on SNS, but we don't need it right now. Okay, everything is fine, we don't need any of this. Yeah, I acknowledge, and we can create the stack itself. So it's going to take a few minutes. So right now it's saying create in progress. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to set up. So I'm going to stop the video now and let's continue. So now it's completed. So you need to go to the output itself, get this endpoint, put it in here, the image itself. So the image is test.png. Here it is. So we can resize this actually. Let's open the network first. Whatever resize we want, we want it to be about 2000 by 2000. Okay, so it's downloading right now. Okay, great. So it's 146 kilobytes right now. So that is coming from the CloudFront guys, so that is why it's very fast, very small. Okay, so whatever size you need, care to know that the original image was about, I think, 1 megabyte. Yes, that is the resizing functionality. Yeah, it's 800 kilobytes. So from 800 kilobytes we came down to 146 kilobytes with the size of 2000 by 2000. That is very impressive actually. So if we keep the original size, we will remove the resizing functionality, okay, and hard refresh, it's actually about half of kilobyte. It's 490 bytes, so it's extremely small, okay. So it's very impressive at the current moment right now. So let's see the functionalities that we can get. We don't get only resizing, guys, we get everything. So resizing is just part of the thing. So if we need it to be 2000 by 1000, that's cropping or cropping. Okay, it's doing the cropping or resizing functionality here, but we need more than that. Let's see what functionality we get. If you go to the documentation itself and go to the list filters, okay, you will find a lot of filters here. The first thing that I am interested in is the file format. Normally we use file format WP. It's very small image. It's the best image extension you can get after PNG. Okay, so we can do one thing, webp. Notice the URL. We are not changing the URL, you know, extremely. It's just we are adding small filters to it. So for example, for format, filter format webp, and here, okay, we don't see any real changes in the image itself, of course, but if we hard refresh it, the first load will be I think 83 bytes, 83 bytes for a 2000 by 1000 resolution. That is very impressive still. But if we refresh the second time, it's coming to half byte, okay, half a kilobyte, and it's coming actually by webp standard. So if you try to save the image, it's webp image, so it got formatted. And if we go to the filters, you will get a lot of filters here. So for example, you can make it blur, you can make it gray. So let's try one of them. We are adding a blur filter right now. Okay, it's not visible in the video, I think, but we need to crank it up a little bit. So we are adding blur 50, and voila, you can't even see the image with blur 50. Okay, so you get the idea. All of these filters you can add by just copying and pasting in the URL, and that's it. And resizing also works that way. It's very fast way and very cheap way to resize images and get everything you need. And you are actually using a CDN for fast image loading. So that is the best way to load images, guys.